Business phrases. Assembly kits. A collection of things needed to put something together. Test the market. Experiment selling a product in actual stores to see if the product would sell well. On approval. Goods supplied under the condition that they can be returned if they're not satisfactory. Firm order. Order of goods that can't be canceled until a certain date. Trade references. Name and contact information of companies with which the company regularly does business and can say if it's trustworthy. Provisional order. An order that isn't certain yet.